Welcome everyone back to the channel. Just got the GT350 out here in the driveway. What we're going to do is do a nice foam cannon, get this thing cleaned up. Not that she's not clean already, but I'm going to get her cleaned up, looking good. Nice beautiful day, nice sunny day. But you gotta love that Leadfoot gray color. It's unique. You gotta love the way it just looks on that GT350. Good color. It's only for the 2018 GT350s. And if you get a little closer, looking just how that Leadfoot gray looks, and it does, it changes in the sunlight too. If you get in the shadows, it gets darker. You get into the sunlight, it gets a little lighter. And you can see the reflection in it. And as you come back out, you can get that Leadfoot gray in an F-150 also. So, introducing new addition to the stable. Got a 2020 Leadfoot gray F-150 3.5 liter EcoBoost to match the 2018 Shelby. So there you are. I was looking for a new vehicle, and I wanted to get an F-150 in Leadfoot gray. I finally found one. I think they look pretty good together. Something else to work on the channel, to sit there next to the Shelby, the Leadfoot Gray Shelby GT350. So, but that's what we have, a 2020 Leadfoot Gray F-150. It's gonna be nice to get some work done to this. But yeah, I'm loving it. I've had it for a couple weeks now. 4-wheel drive, tow package, has the tonneau cover, but yeah, I'm happy with it. She's looking good. Nice color. Like I said, I've been looking for Leadfoot gray F-150 to go with the GT350, and there it is. Looking nice. On to some work to this, so we can get it out there at the shows with the Shelby. Gonna go ahead and clean them up a little bit, hit them with the foam cannon, and get them looking nice. And there it is, introduction to the Leadfoot family. Before I hit the cars with the foam cannon, I'll come out, drive it with this new Billet Works weighted shift knob. Haven't had it on the road since I installed it. See how it feels. If I notice a difference compared to the factory one. It does feel nice and solid though. Now that there's some weight on it. Feels good, you know, just in hand. It feels nice and solid. So it does make it say, yeah, it's a good addition. Feels good. So enjoyable to drive. Got beers and gears going on over here, big car show. Went to it last year. But, really didn't feel like sitting out there this year. It's a long day. Over 1,000 cars. Get back and hit the cars with some foam. Well, she's all foamed up, cleaned up. Used the Rio's garage. I hit it up with the ceramic washing coat. So it does have the ceramic wax, 3-in-1 wax, the spray. I do have that on it. So the first time I used the foam cannon with ceramic washing coat. So we'll see how that works. It went on good, cleaned up real nice. You can see with the blower that it blows right off. So I'm happy with it. Glad I can introduce the new Leadfoot edition to the channel to go with the Leadfoot Voodoo over here. So it's gonna be fun getting the two together, doing things, getting stuff done to the F-150. I have some things planned for it, so stay tuned. And then you can see that finish on this Shelby. She's looking good. That foam cannon was a good decision. Got the I got the Rio's garage. I think it's the Brilliant foam cannon. So I picked it up, and I picked up the Craftsman 1700 pressure washer. And then I bought a 50-foot hose and a new nozzle. So it all works good. So I'm happy with my decisions on the foam cannon, power washer. I've been trying to do some research on which ones I wanted. So finally found it, putting it to use. And end result, she's looking fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. I wanna thank everyone for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And until next time, take care.